My burs are fu a Cornwally, and all my byres are fu o hay. My burs are fu o gentlemen, and no come out till day. Then fare ye weel, ye false Maggie. Fare ye weel, and a lang adieu. I got my mother's malison this night when I come to you. There was a wealthy fair man lived in the north country. He had a lovely daughter, she was always frank and free, and it's day by day and night by night, she was always in my ear. Knew that come a jolly tinker lad to this firm house. Have ye ony pots or pans or candlesticks to mend? Or have ye ony lodgings for me, a single man? Knew the fair man he thought that they had him the tinker for to keep. And the lassie she thought that they had him the tinker's Betty Mac. But the tinker followed after her, and he did bar the door. He's catched her by the middle sma' and laid her on the floor. He's catched her by the middle sma' and up against the door, and it's there he's ta'en the walls o' her afore she's won awa'. And it's so the bonny lassie blushed, and oh, but she's thought shame. Since you've ta'en the walls o' me, come tell to me your name. He's whispered in the lassie's ear, they call me Davy Fa. Ye'll I mind upon the happy night among the bales of straw. Words came up and words came down, words came to the hall, that Mary Hamilton gangs we bail to the highest Stuart. Oh, he's caught in the kitchen, he's caught in the hall, he's caught in the lake cellar, and that was the worst. Oh, doon then come the old queen, gout tassels tying her hair. Oh, Mary, where's that bonny little babe that I've heard greet sae sair?